Hello everyone, how to Tots. I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Liner AI search with sources application. So first of all, you need to make sure that this app is installed in your device. Then simply tap on the open button. Then you have to create your account first. So you can create your account through iOS, continue Google, Apple, or otherwise. So I prefer continue Google if you use Android phone. So I already tapped my Google account. So it's now loading. And it's really easy to interface, it's really easy to use. So set up your profile, like you can see here your profession, like your so I'm just going to say something, or maybe undergraduate, and age you can give your age, and done. So it's really simple, and then you can use this app here. So you can ask write this, so you can see try pro to free, unlimited simple. So it's not totally free, like if you want to get the everything, then you have to upgrade your account. So let's see what's going to happen. Hi, ask follow-up question. So they're searching. So I just stop it and go back. So you can see here search model, you can tap here, you can choose simple search, tap here, then you can see simple search, advanced search, deep search, and other model. If you want to see other model, then you can get here all the latest model, GPT-5, and all the models, Gemini, Cloudy, GPT-4. So you have to subscribe, you have to upgrade your account. So you can see here it's almost $20 per month if you use, if you really want it, because this app is amazing. Like you can ask the normal question, but if you want to get update version, then you have to. So it's a little buggy, like it's a little slow application. So you can see here they give you the in details, also reference. You will see all the reference in the later. So in details, like it's really nice, you can try it. And if you want to upgrade your account, then you can use all the models. So simply tap upgrade, then you can see here their package, and this is pro and this is maximum, and you can see here their feature. So you can workspace, you can see here profile, so you can change your account, your plan. So if you tap my plan, then you can see your plan, you can buy here. And if you want to upload your file, then you can file here camera photos, then they can summarize. You can also upload the videos, then they can summarize your video.